Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are demystifying the ISO 41001 certification process, a journey that organizations embark on to demonstrate their commitment to excellence in facility management. ISO 41001 provides a robust framework for managing facilities effectively, and achieving certification signifies a dedication to meeting international standards. Let's delve into the key steps and considerations involved in the ISO 41001 certification process. Initial assessment and gap analysis. The journey to ISO 41001 certification often begins with an initial assessment and gap analysis. This involves evaluating your existing facility management practices against the requirements of ISO 41001. This step provides a roadmap for areas that need improvement and helps establish a clear path toward compliance with the standard. Developing an ISO 41001 management system. Once the gap analysis is complete, the next step is developing and implementing an ISO 41001 management system. This system should align with the standards requirements and integrate seamlessly into your organization's operations. It involves defining processes, establishing documentation, and ensuring that all relevant personnel are aware of and trained in the new system. Internal audits and pre-assessment. Before pursuing certification, organizations typically conduct internal audits to assess the effectiveness of their ISO 41001 management system. This phase helps identify any remaining gaps and allows for corrective actions. Some organizations also opt for a pre-assessment, a mock audit conducted by an external expert to gauge preparedness for the official certification audit. Selecting a certification body. Choosing the right certification body is a critical decision in the ISO 41001 certification process. Look for accredited certification bodies with expertise in facility management. These organizations will conduct the official certification audit and issue the ISO 41001 certification upon successful completion of the process. Certification audit. The certification audit is typically conducted in two stages. In stage 1, auditors review your ISO 41001 management system documentation, confirming that it meets the standards requirements. They also assess your organization's readiness for the full certification audit, identifying any potential issues or gaps. Certification audit stage 2. Stage 2 of the certification audit is the comprehensive assessment of your ISO 41001 management system in action. Auditors evaluate the implementation of processes, the effectiveness of controls, and the overall conformity to ISO 41001 requirements. Successful completion of stage 2 results in the awarding of the ISO 41001 certification. Continuous improvement and surveillance audits. Obtaining ISO 41001 certification is not the end of the journey. It marks the beginning of a commitment to continual improvement. Surveillance audits conducted periodically by the certification body ensure that your organization maintains compliance with the standard and continues to enhance its facility management practices. In conclusion, the ISO 41001 certification process is a structured path toward excellence in facility management. By understanding the standard, conducting a thorough assessment, implementing a robust management system, and successfully navigating the certification audit, organizations can proudly showcase their dedication to quality facility management. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to embark on this journey toward ISO 41001 certification for the benefit of your organization and its stakeholders. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.